the waves over towards the coastline, and the coastline is eroded over time. So the fetch is the distance the wave travels. So if that wave there, for example, where am I? That wave there travels, say, 300 miles, that would be the fetch. And you can see it blows it in at an angle. So that's why you get all this sediment down here, these rocks. Some of them bigger, some of them smaller, a lot of them rounded, dropped off. That's longshore drift. Sometimes sediment could go back out into the ocean if it's constructive waves or destructive waves, depending on. But ultimately, this coastline is shaped by the waves that happen over and over and over again. If the waves have a strong swash, that means they are constructive, they'll drop sediment. They have a strong backwash, they take more sediment away, that would be destructive. So hopefully you can hear me now. You can see the waves crashing into these rocks here. Now these rocks over 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, 200, 1,000 years will eventually, well, they're going to get eroded every single time, every single day. They'll get smaller and more rounded and eventually disappear altogether. Depends on the kinds of waves you get. But again, look down here at this sediment, all smaller, all more rounded. That's been eroded, and by the looks of it being all together, it's also being deposited together. Most likely when a wave lost energy, maybe when the tide was going out. And as you can see, it's happened all along this coastline. From evidence of little whirlpools down here, for example, you can see that the water from the ocean has come in here. It hasn't evaporated away yet. And on more of an unrelated note, you can see here, you get little ecosystems. So, thanks to this process, a load of seaweed, limpets, for example, so plants and animals, flora and fauna, all form all across these areas. Very quick on this one, guys. This is coastal erosion near where I'm from. This is called Brixton. So you can see the waves over time continuously battering that coastline. There's the cliff. You have all sorts of cracks, caves, stacks and stumps into the ocean. This happens over time from erosion. You can see down here a wave cut platform too.